The atmosphere surrounding the ASEAN Cup fixture between Vietnam and Singapore was charged with immense anticipation.
Indeed, thousands of enthusiastic supporters traveled long distances to fill the stands at My Ding Stadium.
However, the goalless stalemate left spectators feeling somewhat underwhelmed by the overall tactical execution.
Beyond the scoreline, a specific touchline incident involving young forward Đình Bắc dominated post-match conversations.
Born in 2004, the Nghe talent was handed a starting spot to break Singapore's deep defensive block.
Regrettably, his early minutes were marred by anxiety and a noticeable lack of clinical precision up front.
The defining moment occurred in the 18th minute when he squandered an open goal opportunity.
Shortly afterwards, another ambitious volley misfired, visibly heightening tension along the technical bench.
Head coach Kim Sang-sik reached his patience threshold well before the halftime whistle actually blew.
In the 41st minute, the electronic board illuminated his number, signaling an immediate strategic change.
Upon realizing he was being replaced, Đình Bắc repeatedly gestured toward the bench, pleading for more time.
That emotional reaction captured the raw desperation of a young striker, eager to redeem his earlier errors.
Nevertheless, the South Korean strategist maintained a firm stance, refusing to reverse his tactical decision.
Naturalized forward Win Tai-lok was promptly sent onto the pitch to revitalize the attacking front.
During the post-match press conference, Coach Kim candidly addressed the rationale behind that early substitution.
He stressed that Đình Bắc failed to execute his tactical assignments effectively during critical attacking phases.
Furthermore, Coach Kim emphasized that emerging athletes must learn to sacrifice individual desire for team success.
For his part, the 22-year-old forward admitted his performance was disappointing and promised to work harder.
Handling public criticism gracefully is often the hardest challenge for sports figures facing intense media exposure.
Indeed, navigating high-stakes public environments requires emotional composure alongside physical athleticism.
Unsurprisingly, the incident triggered polarized reactions across national sports media and online communities.
One faction heavily criticized the player's rash decision-making and lack of maturity during crucial moments.
Conversely, sympathetic observers argued that singling him out made him a convenient scapegoat for broader team issues.
In modern sports entertainment, media narratives frequently oversimplify complex tactical shortcomings into single individual mistakes.
When traveling fans invest time and money, their emotional involvement can amplify public scrutiny significantly.
That makes customer service in stadium hospitality and fan communication vital for managing spectator expectations.
Statistical analysis of the match suggests the team's offensive struggles persisted long after his departure.
Substitutes failed to generate fluid goal-scoring opportunities against Singapore's compact and disciplined defense.
This indicates that structural service delivery to the forward line was the root underlying problem.
Attributing the entire offensive stagnation to one young player ignores deeper strategic disconnects on the field.
Athletes traveling internationally must learn to insulate their mental focus from surrounding public noise.
Whether staying at team hotels or interacting with airport staff, maintaining composure remains paramount.
Service personnel in the hospitality industry often observe how elite teams cope with post-match pressure.
A supportive environment during team travel helps players process frustration and rebuild confidence rapidly.
Coach Kim's uncompromising leadership style reflects traditional standards of strict collective discipline in Asian football.
By prioritizing team harmony over individual feelings, he established a clear operational boundary for everyone.
Public hand gestures towards technical staff are widely interpreted as breaches of professional bench etiquette.
Learning to accept tactical decisions without visible dissent is a crucial step in professional maturity.
Social media platforms quickly transformed short video clips of the gesture into viral trending topics.
In today's digital era, every reaction on the field is instantly dissected by millions of viewers.
Navigating intense public scrutiny requires robust public relations guidance from football federations and clubs.
Proper media training equips young athletes to deliver constructive interviews without escalating existing controversies.
Evaluating player performance fairly demands analyzing positioning, movement off the ball, and tactical discipline.
Focusing solely on missed finishing attempts overlooks the hard work involved in creating those chances.
Singapore's low defensive block effectively restricted space, forcing Vietnam's attackers into rushed, low-probability shots.
In such congested scenarios, patience and precise combination play are far more effective than individual heroics.
When service from midfield breaks down, even experienced forwards struggle to make a meaningful impact.
That tactical reality highlights why accountability should be shared collectively across the entire starting 11.
Supporters traveling across Southeast Asia expect their national team to demonstrate tactical adaptability in tournament play.
Delivering high-quality performances enhances sports tourism and strengthens cultural pride among international fan bases.
In social gatherings and sports cafes, debates over coaching decisions often highlight differing fan philosophies.
Some fans favor lenient nurturing of young prospects, while others demand immediate, uncompromising results.
Striking a balanced approach between rigorous standards and empathetic mentorship is crucial for youth development.
Coach Kim's decisive action sends a clear signal that reputation does not guarantee immunity from substitution.
Experiencing setbacks early in a career can cultivate humility and long-term psychological resilience.
Top-tier professionals view constructive criticism as valuable feedback rather than personal condemnation.
As team travel continues for upcoming fixtures, maintaining team cohesion will be vital for tournament progression.
Coaches and player liaison officers must ensure off-field logistics run smoothly to minimize external stress.
Providing quality hospitality and seamless travel services allows athletes to focus entirely on game preparation.
When support systems function effectively, players are better equipped to deliver peak performances under pressure.
Looking ahead, how Đình Bắc responds in training will dictate his role in future international matches.
Channeling frustration into dedicated effort on the practice pitch is the most effective path forward.
Great athletes are ultimately defined not by avoiding mistakes, but by how courageously they bounce back.
This high-profile learning experience could prove to be the most transformative milestone of his early career.
For fans traveling to support the national team, witnessing such personal growth builds a deeper emotional connection.
Supporting young talents through both triumphs and tribulations embodies the true spirit of sportsmanship.
As the ASEAN Cup progresses, Vietnam's squad will undoubtedly refine their tactical execution and attacking cohesion.
Constructive challenges like this match provide invaluable lessons for players, coaches, and passionate supporters alike.
Clear communication, mutual respect, and dedicated preparation remain the pillars of sustainable sporting success.
With the right mindset, every setback serves as a stepping stone toward achieving athletic excellence.
We look forward to seeing Đình Bắc and the national team return stronger in their upcoming tournament fixtures.
Indeed, resilience under pressure remains the ultimate benchmark of true championship character.